Okay, so I'm in one of the practice rooms at Fairmont State University, and most of the rooms have acoustic pianos. Some upright, some grand. There's even one with a Steinway sons. But that's not what I'm here today to show y'all. I'm here to show you this beauty. This is, and there's sheet music and stuff, and a random Beethoven's. Oh no, just a random classical CD. This is a Yamaha CVP79. I think it's a CVP79A, but regardless, CVP79-ish Clavinova. This is a keyboard made by Yamaha in 1995, and it's a pretty nice unit, even now. Got your key cover. Got all kinds of controls across the unit. LCD screen. This is 88 keys, and while these are weighted, it's not a progressive weighting, and it definitely shows its age here because the keys bounce back up, and they don't really feel it. Like, it's not even stiff. It just feels weird, like they're too weighted, and again, there's some bounce up. But this is from 1995. If you look over here, you have a floppy disk drive. 3.5 inch. These were outfitted with either 720K or 1.44 megabyte drives. So you can load and save files MIDI via floppy. I don't have any diskettes with me before you ask. Underneath, I don't know how I can see it, you got a triple pedal setup, and these are set up like they would be on a grand piano. Sustain, una corda, soft. I think it's a bit about una corda, or regardless, it actually implements these correctly. This I know definitely does the middle piano very well. And you've got speakers spanning the width of this unit. It's two, I want to say 16 centimeter drivers, and then I think it's two 16 centimeter drivers. Okay, yeah, it's two 16 centimeter drivers and two 5 centimeter drivers. So there's 4 speakers underneath, and there's also 2 of those speakers. One there, one there next to the floppy. So I'll turn this on. You'll actually hear the floppy drive click, and you'll hear a relay click as well. Floppy. No, I don't care, Vine Sauce. And I'm sitting on what I presume to be the original bench, though it's definitely seen its fair share of wear. It's actually caving down in the middle. It's my fat ass. It does get quite loud, and the speakers do sound pretty good. And the piano sample, the primary piano sample in this, is the one that Yamaha uses on most of their things. It's the same sample that's found in the, for example, the YPG 535, the YPG 635, the hidden acoustic piano sound on the Reface CP. It's just their go-to sample. And I can even tell you, some major artists used pianos that had this sample. For example, the Eagles, at their performances at the Staples Center, at the end of 1999, for their Millennium concert, they used a Yamaha keyboard, and I can tell you right now, Trans-Siberian Orchestra's Christmas Canon Rock uses one. No. Yeah, it's in the key of A. It's definitely a very good sounding sample. But it's one of those things I noticed, and fun fact, the original Christmas Canon used a Roland. And this unit is advanced enough that it does have partial pedaling. It does have that. The quieter pedal does work. Some of the dynamic things might not come across because I'm using the camera app on my phone, which does have audio compression. Now it does, it's just a volume adjustment. It does not adjust the timbre or the sound. And the middle pedal works like you'd expect a middle pedal to. You hold down some keys, in this case I'll hold down a B flat chord. Now, only the keys that were held down when I activated the pedal sustain. And the unit's very quiet. It does have a built-in AC power supply, but does not introduce any noticeable hum. So let's play. We got a variety of sounds to play with, and we got both traditional clicker buttons and a jog wheel you can use to scroll through. Because the default piano is this. You got a piano with a different timbre. Still high quality samples, though this one is actually mono, whereas the other one is actually stereo. I don't really know if it's actually like set up stereo the way an actual piano would, but the other sample, well, this sample at least is mono. Another stereo sample. It's a piano with more high end, so again. I think we found the exact one they used. What? Look at my phone. Now this one is not sampled as well, but it's another piano sound with more treble. I do hear what I think to be a compressed version of this particular sample on my YPG 225 that I own. Nice mellow piano. You've got a CP70/CP80 sound. I much prefer how my Reface or even my YPG 225 or like the 535, 635 do this. It's still good-ish. So it's doing the same thing those other keyboards do, with the exception of the CP, where it's the full intensity. You have a stronger attack on the sound. But it's lacking either a bit of chorus or just, it's lacking soul. Another. So you got a piano combined with a DX, and I hate to do this, but the rest of the video is going to be audio only, and it's going to be in a part 2, so click the link in the description for part 2 of this video, because I'm running out of storage space, and it'll actually sound better.